Hi there, Leo. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to thank you for tuning into the energies and influences coming through for your weekly reading, March 10th to the 16th of 2019. This is a condensed general reading, so please only take those portions that resonate with you. I invite you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. It really helps me out a lot, and it helps to bring your vibrations into those future readings. I also send my intentions out for my community and my viewers. Please remember to check out my description box below. Thanks, you guys. And after the reading is a take note moment. Okay, Leo, I've done a protective blessing. I've shuffled and meditated over these cards just for you. Your first card, it's the general atmosphere. It's the background and the basis of the matter. Number 6 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck. The Lover's card, Leo. This could be a Gemini. Doesn't have to be, though. This has to do with choice and temptation and attraction. This is the fruitfulness of correct thought. It can do with love and relationship. This is a union. It can also be a struggle between sacred and profane love. This is the harmony of the inner and outer aspects of life. It's learning and growing through relationships. These can be trials and trials that are overcome. This can be a soulmate, someone that's meant for you, a match made in heaven. Sometimes this is a difficult choice. Can be problems of a sexual nature. This represents the power of a mature sexual union. The angel above them stands for truth and strength found in their relationship. This is an important and a usually long-lasting relationship. If you're unattached, it could be pointing to a future relationship. It can also mean help from a lover. This is a blessing. It can indicate a romantic involvement coming. Maybe a need to heal a rift. But it could be a critical life decision with a love relationship, being at a crossroads. So act with your heart and do what you love, and everything else will follow naturally. You will make the right choice. And you are about to evolve into a higher plane of understanding. Your second card, and this is how it affects, this is the energies that are crossing over your path. Number 20 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, Judgment. This could be a Scorpio. This has to do with spiritual awakening and beginnings. There's rebirth and release and review. You have new purpose and new plans. You could be deeply inspired, feeling uplifted and awakened, reborn, summoned to a higher awareness, feeling redeemed, and being on the same wavelength with others. You could be feeling inspired, having big ideas. This is a new phase. Could be a change in your personal consciousness. You're coming to terms with yourself, going down to rise up. It's a special moment in life. It's a change in life in an important way. And now you can rise up and seek new possibilities. It's an end of an old way of life. It's a cycle that is finished. And now it's time to make a new direction, to make adjustments that reflect who you truly are. This is a positive card symbolizing regeneration and rebirth after a period of confusion and confinement. You may have felt dead in your old life, and now you have a unique opportunity to enliven yourself and your environment by making the appropriate changes. It's a time of freedom to be yourself. You're letting things grow at a steady pace without hurrying the process. You may get important news that will prove beneficial, or you may acquire new knowledge that will bring you joy and a sense of fulfillment. Your health improves, and your problems are going to be easily solved. Your third card, and this is how it affects you. The Five of Swords, Leo. This is air energy. This is a need to avoid battle that cannot be won. There's limitation and also power. See, the figure holding the sword represents the person, the enemy, or the situation. This can be a difficult card, showing defeat and weakness and humiliation. There's advice to avoid negative people and drama. There could be an attack of the resources. There could be unfairness and slander and gossip. Someone being cruel. This person is a master controller. He can bring destruction and dishonor and loss. It may be that you might have to pay more than you actually get. So go slow, or you'll deprave yourself from benefit. The sword is double-edged. One edge is defeat, misfortune, betrayal, and loss, and the other edge gives us advice to learn to accept the boundaries that we must live within. Fives are about adjustment. This is a change brought on by distress or loss. It's uncomfortable but necessary change and adjustment. You may be blinded by a situation, so you need to wait to judge because you do not have enough information. But now is the time for change. Your lifestyle, your philosophy, your inner beliefs about yourself. So get to work, and change is a part of life, and the more you resist it, the more difficult you'll make things. You may have run into a challenge. There's a better direction that will make you happier. Change is needed to get back on track, so look for a better direction. In the positive light, this image portrays a process of growth and healing. Looking back, you know that you can do away with yesterday's doubts and weaknesses. So avoid negative people. They drain you, and they bring unwanted drama. This is advice not to judge before you know everything, because it would be a high cost of victory. Your fourth card, it's the future card. It's the results, the outcome, and the advice. This is a good card, Leo. This is earth energy and a new beginning. This is prosperity. It's a healthy beginning. This is new money and new success and new opportunity. It's the beginning of gain and pleasure and beauty. It's a gift from the universe, a seed to be nurtured. This is an opportunity for real growth, beginning of a new project, a chance to improve your health, a gift you can use to invest in future gain. This could be a new job opportunity or a chance for promotion. It is a good time to start improving your home and your health, so begin building that foundation for a new future. Spend time in nature and you'll find fresh inspiration. Do not overlook this gift. It must be nurtured to come to fruition. You could be about to experience a great accomplishment, and money can be found to begin a new enterprise. You may be recognizing your calling as your fate and chance. Each one of us is uniquely good at something. This is saying yes to love. This is a positive reward for hard work. Could even be a lump sum of money or a gift. Could also stand for worldly status and achievement. You need to ground yourself with proper nutrition, exercise, rest, and leisure activities. Your fifth card, it's the bottom of the deck card. The underlying issue. This is what's unseen. Number 0 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck. The Fool. This is that new beginning. It's an air element card. The ruling planet is Uranus. This is a new path. It's a choice being offered. You may be seeking the truth. This is a beginning and a blind leap of faith, absolute faith in the universe. The Fool gives us courage to continue and prods us to seek new experience. And you should follow your own instinct rather than the advice of others. And if you follow your instinct, you'll be provided with guidance. You're being on the edge of a new, important new beginning. Excuse me. Your Oracle Card Advice from the Sacred Traveler by Denise Linn. This is wondrous universe. Walk in beauty. Sorry. You live in a beautiful and wondrous universe. You are a beautiful being. Take time to see and cherish the wonders of life wherever you go. It transforms your life. There is a remarkable beauty within you. Simply acknowledging it allows it to surface even more. The time you take to create beauty in your home will manifest in your life. In Native traditions, walking in beauty means to honor all the natural cycles of life and to experience a sacred communion within the Creator in all things, including yourself. The Sacred Traveler wants you to know that there's always beauty around you and within you. The Sacred Traveler constantly looks for and embraces the majestic, wondrous universe in all forms. You can hear it in the song of an early morning bird. You can smell it in the aroma of freshly baking bread, and you can see it in the way the clouds float across the sky. And the clouds give you messages. The more you seek beauty, the more it will find you, and the more you will find yourself in a beautiful world. Here's your take note moment. Beautiful words can create beautiful vibrations. Say your special words very slowly. Feel the meaning to the words. Experience the feeling the words give you. Build on these feelings every single day. We become better and better at it when we do. Putting your possessions in order make for a neat home. Putting your thoughts in order is preparation for tranquility. Thanks, you guys. I hope you stay tuned in and leave me a comment or a thumbs up or hit that subscribe button, please. Now remember, what goes around comes around, so I'm sending you out love and light and blessings. Thanks for watching.